Hello, I'm Sophia. I'm going to have a puppy play for you. The puppy play is from this picture book. There is a bird on your head by Mo Willems. Okay, so are you ready? Here we go. Piggy, is something on my head? Yes, there's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Is there a bird on my head now? No, there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. They are love birds. Love birds? How do you know they are love birds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why do two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. 3 eggs. I do not want 2 birds and 3 eggs on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not? Ask them to go somewhere else. Ask them? Yes, ask. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Yeah, it worked. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Now they are on my head.